Hey now, it's Coach Clarence, and I hope you're having an amazing week so far. It's Monday. Can't wait to get this week rolling. But let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever gone on a trip and found out that you were upgraded? Do you remember how that made you feel? Maybe you got bumped into first class on a flight, or got a free upgrade on a rental car, or even a bigger hotel room. That's always nice. That's happened to me a couple times in Vegas, and it's always cool. Everything feels like a treat. Better seats, better ride, better sleep. I mean, you're just feeling good all the way around. Well, that's what your body feels like when you upgrade your food choices. So that's what I'm going to talk about here. If you stop feeding yourself ultra-processed foods and start eating the right foods that are flooded with nutrition, your body feels like it got an upgrade. So I'm going to share a few of my favorite upgrades in a second that you could do right away and get that same feeling by upgrading. But first of all, in case we haven't already met, I'm Coach Clarence from Fit Over 40, and my focus is the health and well-being of everybody 40 and above. That's a big list. So make sure you like and share this video with anyone you think it'll help. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get these weekly videos and information that we put out every week so you can live your best life in your 40s and beyond. So let's get back to those upgrades. It's actually really easy to upgrade the food you eat. First, before we dive into food upgrades, think about the things that make your body feel better, more rested, more energized, more vibrant, and just plain out healthy. Things like fresh air, regular sleep, staying hydrated, consistent workouts. These are the things that fall in the upgrade category. The idea is whenever possible, choose these type of upgrades instead of activities that leave you feeling blah and tired and stressed. Those are what we call low value activities. And there are things like staying up late, drinking a lot of energy and sugary drinks, sitting down all day, not getting any sunshine. We live in AZ. I mean, you should be able to find some sun somewhere. Consistently upgrading these low value activities will make a huge difference in how you feel, and your body, believe me, it deserves that. As for what you're eating, this can play a major role in how you feel. Here are some of my quick food upgrades that you could try this week. Instead of reaching salty chips or popcorn, choose nuts instead. They contain healthy fats, fiber, lots of micronutrients for your body that your body's going to love. A portion size is just a handful. There you go. Instead of candy or sweets, and I know a lot of you like to do that, eat 1 or 2 ounces of delicious dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is made with cocoa. And when it's eaten in moderation, cocoa can actually lower your blood pressure and even cut your risk of heart attack or stroke. Instead of soda, we're all guilty, especially if we like mixed drinks, try instead water or ice drink, or just drink something on the rocks if you're going to drink like that. You'll avoid the sugar and artificial sweeteners, and you'll get a lot more antioxidants versus having the sugary stuff. These are just a couple ideas of ways you can upgrade and make, your life easier, makes it more supportive of your goals, this kind of thing. When was the last time you upgraded your food choices? Let me know in the comments. Speaking of upgrades, if you guys are ready to take your fitness game to the next level, I'm doing a challenge that's starting this September. My goal is to help you reset your metabolism. Look out for this information come this week. All right, everybody, as always, if you want a personal upgrade, things you could change, hit me up. I will get you some information on how you can upgrade what you're doing currently. All right, that's it, guys. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you soon.